All right, Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem, Rakar Kadash, and the Heavenly Father, which you name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son, Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach Kapashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, Lash Kadash Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim, Ma'akwaf, and I say Shalom. And this is a sit-down lesson from finance.yahoo.com as updated March the 13th, 2026 at 4:19 p.m. And it reads the stock markets today. Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq slides to cap the third week of losses as $100 oil sparks inflation fears. It says the stock reversed early sessions gains to close out lower on Friday, capping another week of losses. Investors assessed slowing economy growth and sticky inflation. It says setting, right, because I believe the consumers was lower than expected to like 2.4%. And then with the sticky inflation as well too, and then with the spark of oil prices going up. I mean, oil gas has been going up, despite the fact that the United States released some oil reserve, to ease that. But we still been seeing the gas prices going up, the oil prices going up. It says expectations, interest rate cuts, amending still hot Iranian conflict. 1044 call Halal Yahabashmasha. It says the Dow Jones Industrial Average slipped 0.3% and the S&P 500 turned out lower, while the Nasdaq Composite fell almost 1%. All the three major index closed out their third consecutive week of losses. It's the book of Jeremiah Salakia. It's the book of the prophet Jeremiah, chapter 51, and verse 7. Babylon has been a golden cup, Yahweh's hand, that made all the earth drunken. Right, the nation's been drunken off the ways of Babylon, mentally, physically, spiritually, economically, politically. And we've been seeing the opposite side of that because the nations are starting to rise up against her, especially economically. Jeremiah 51 verse 7, Babylon has been a golden cup, Yahweh's hand that made all the earth drunken. The nations are drunk for wine, therefore the nations are mad. Right, so the nations are mad, rise up against her economically. Jeremiah 51 verse 8, Babylon suddenly fall and destroy her, how for her take balm for her pain, and so that she may be healed. Right, so there's no healing for Babylon. That's the downfall of it. Jeremiah 51 verse 9, we would have healed Babylon, but she's not healed. Forsaking her, let us go everyone to his own country. For her judgment reaches the heavens and leave it up into the skies. Right, so there's no healing for Babylon financially, with these oil prices going up, everything prices will continue to go up as the war continue to heat up between Iran and the United States. And so there's no healing for the virgin daughter of Babylon, the mystery daughter of Babylon, as it says again. So hopefully this was edifying of this quick news update. This quick sit-down lesson of this news article as the markets within the past 3 days was down, once again. Now the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 had early gains earlier today, but it slipped once again for the third straight day. So a 3-day losing streak, 3 weeks, a third week of losses. It says the stock markets today, the Dow Jones, S&P 500, Nasdaq slides to cap the third week of losses as a $100 oil sparks inflation fears. So with that, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh Bahashem, Yahweh Shai Bahashem Akakadash, and the Heavenly Father, true name is Yahweh, and His unbegotten Son Bahashem, in the name of Hamashiach Kapashai. Those are the true names in the ancient Paleo Hebrew, the Lash Kadash Holy Tongue. And I say Barakatham to the elders and apostles, Wa'akim Ma'akwaf. Until next time, say Shalom.